My hair is purple now. I'm that much more powerful and I will be making it everyone else's problem, so thank you for your cooperation. Hi, hello, good afternoon. So it's no secret that I'm an art kid. I love drawing, painting, crafting, sewing, the whole shebang. But another thing that I have a lot of interest in is makeup. I'm not good at makeup, but I like it. And through this pandemic in the past year, I've gotten even more into makeup. I've been experimenting with different looks, different colors that I don't usually delve into, and so I've been having a lot of fun. But I have fallen into sort of the same daily makeup routine. So I thought it would be fun to challenge myself with different looks that I want to recreate. Because if I'm gonna flounder at a skill, I might as well get some content out of it, you know? I currently have my overhead light on, mixed with my computer screen that's sort of acting as a fill light, and then my desk lamp that's burning my corneas. So we got some 3-point lighting going on, so you know the setup is legit, you know, just using my degree. So this is the look that we're gonna try and recreate today. I couldn't find the original poster as much as I tried, and so I'm really sorry. If I do find the credit later on, I will put it down in the description. But I couldn't find it, I'm so sorry. But I think this is really cute. I love the batwing eyeliner. I love the blush, I just love how pink it is. I'm gonna be going in a little bit blind for this because in terms of eyeshadow, I know how to put one color in the crease of my eye and then on the lower lash line and call it a day there. But I'm also an art kid and makeup is just really another medium. So some of those skills should be transferable, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first things first, gotta get the hair out of the way. There we go. So looking at this picture, I think I need to start with the eyeshadow. Usually I start with eyeliner and then move on to eyeshadow, which I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I'm used to doing it. But I feel like we should probably follow some basic steps for this one. So first thing I'm gonna do is just prime my eyes. My friend, who knows a lot more about makeup than I do, recommended this primer to me because the primer I used for the longest time got discontinued, and this one's been working out pretty well. If you're watching this, good call. I like it. This is a pretty pink look, but I'm seeing a little bit of purple in there as well, so I'm going to be mixing together these two palettes, which I think should be enough. I think this is also a cut crease, and I don't know how to do a cut crease, but if we're going with the theory that the art skills are transferable to makeup, I'm gonna start with the lightest color first, and that might be wrong. This one. I don't know what any of the brushes are called, so I'm just gonna take the lightest color from this one and just move my way down. Let me start with the lightest shade. Oh wow, that is just the color of my eyelid. Maybe this will just be a good base. People say that a lot in makeup videos. I don't understand what it means, but maybe it'll be a good base. I don't know, I think I'm gonna go in for the darker color of the cut crease. I'm also gonna be using this very thin little brush, and yes, it is a paintbrush. The same friend that recommended me that primer got very mad when she found out I've been using a paintbrush, but it works, it's fine. I should have learned how to do a cut crease. How do you get such a clean line? Do I just pack it on? That's working okay. It's not terrible. It looks like there's quite a bit of pink on the outside, so I think I'm gonna use this fluffier brush. Yeah. How far do you blend eyeshadow? Like, what's an acceptable, like, amount of space from the eye that you can blend eyeshadow? Okay, I got that pretty well done, but I think I need, like, a darker line. So I'm gonna go in with the darkest pink in this palette. Just tried it with that. Ooh. That's better. Just blend out from there. My heart's telling me to blend out from there. Okay. Just keep blending. I'm getting it now. Again, I'm used to doing my eyeliner first and then my eyeshadow, so just having pink eyeshadow on my eyes, it just looks like I'm tired. Alright, I think I need to go in with some of the purple. I'm just gonna use the darkest purple shade in this, honestly. I think the time for subtlety has left the station. Oh heck yeah. Oh heck yeah, bud. Do you do eyeshadow with your eyes open? I feel like you shouldn't. That's why. Has my choker been... The same thing. Blend him out. It's a little messy, but it's okay. That's not too bad. It's not showing up on camera as well, but I think that's pretty good. I think I want a little bit more of that bright pink. I'm also going to do it more on the outside corners of my eyes, just that's generally what I do with my everyday makeup because I feel like it looks better on my eye shape. We're going rogue a little bit. We're gonna see if it works. Going rogue. Alright, then I need some on the lower lash line. So again, I'm just gonna go straight for the darkest colors because this is a pretty like bright pink look, but one, I don't really have all the colors. I'm pretty limited in the palettes that I have, but also I just generally like darker makeup looks, as you can probably tell. See, I used to do like pretty cool makeup in high school, but then as I got to university, I got too busy to really do extravagant looks every single day, which is fine, you know, your priorities change. But now I kind of feel like I've lost some of those old skills that I had in high school. But then again, when you go to a high school where not a ton of people wear alternative makeup, you can throw any makeup on your face and people will just assume it's part of the look. So I wouldn't really say they were the best of skills, you know, they were just very out there. I think that might be good on the eyeshadow, or at least as close as I'm gonna get. I think the last thing I have to do really is add the little sparkle on there. I had heard somewhere that with the ColourPop sort of glittery shades, that it's better to apply it with your hand. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try that because I really want this to sparkle. Okay, and just sort of tap, 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 tap. Now in the picture, they seem to have used a very bright pink blush and blended into the eyeshadow area. So I needed to get the brightest pink blush that I have, which just so happens to be the newest addition to the little family of blushes. This little guy. I got this from my boyfriend just a few days ago, and I've only been able to use it once or twice so far, but she's powerful. This is a powerful blush. This is just a bubblegum pink blush. It's really pretty and I really like it. But usually with most blushes that I have, I swipe the brush about 2 or 3 times through the pan before applying it. This barely needs one swipe through the pan and you're good for probably your entire face. This is a very blush heavy look I'm seeing, so I might just look sunburned by the end of this. One swipe. Oh, it was one swipe. I have to be quick to blend. Oh, the sideburns are getting involved. That's fun. I love when they join the party. The good thing is that if I mess up this side of my face, I can just kind of turn away from the camera. So you wouldn't even know. And she also has quite a bit on her nose, so I am going to attempt that with 2 swipes in the pan. I'm also going to hold my breath because I don't want to inhale this. Oh, hi Rudolph. Well, I think we're done with blush. I think we were done with blush a while ago. It's also quite shiny, so I'm gonna add more of that same sparkly shade. I don't have highlighter, but I think that's what you're supposed to use, but I'm just gonna use the same glittery shade I used on my eye and just sort of dab it where I think it needs to go. Now, just in case I didn't look enough like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So before I move on to eyeliner, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. She has very pink eyebrows and they also look like she's sort of shaved them. I do not have the means. I am not going to do that. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows how I regularly do them every single day, which is poorly. My trick is to do your eyebrows really, really badly. And then spoolie away your mistakes. So all you have left are mediocre eyebrows. There we go. Now it is time for my favorite part, eyeliner. I'm good at eyeliner. You know, I've been practicing for many, many years. It's really the part of makeup that I pride myself on. But I've never tried this sort of batwing eyeliner shape. It's really cute, I've just never really had an occasion to wear it to. Because where do you wear batwing eyeliner? In your bedroom during a pandemic, apparently, is where you wear it. I'm just gonna use a little bottle of liquid eyeliner. I usually use a felt tip eyeliner for my everyday look, but I need just a little bit more control and precision over the shape, so I feel a little more comfortable with this one. So if my art kid instincts have anything to say, it's that I should outline the shape first and then fill it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay. That's a lot. I'm gonna do the other one. Maybe it'll even itself out when the other one's done. On camera from where I'm seeing it, with my glasses off mind you, it's just kind of looking like I have really intense, like, winged eyeliner going on. I'm also gonna add a little bit on the inner corner. I don't know what it's called. I used to do it all in high school and I just called it a crow's beak. I don't know why, I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but it's just like that little extra bit in the corner. I just thought it looked like the beak of a crow. There we go. I think that balances it out a little bit more. I'm liking it so far. I think it's cute. I think it's a lot. But, like, from far away, it kind of just looks like I have some really intense cat eyeliner. Before I'm done, I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner to the lower lash line. I can't tell if that is included in this photo because she has her eyes closed, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, heck yeah. Now, I think in terms of the picture, that's everything. But the picture is arguably only of this person's eyes. There is no mention of lipstick or anything whatsoever, and so I am going to go a little rogue again, and I'm gonna add a lip color to this because I think it's calling to me. Finally take my hair down. Please do not let the side part fool you. I am Gen Z. Now the question is, what lip color do we add? Perhaps, or perhaps, perhaps or perhaps. Dark or light? Light or dark? I might go with this one. So I'm gonna go with the purple one. It'll sort of match like the pinky purpley tone, and also it'll match the purple hair. I feel like it will just go with everything. Oh, it was a mistake bringing my hair down. I think my rendition may have turned out a little less pink. Did we expect anything else? Let me regain the gift of sight. And finally, there we have it. I think my going rogue made this turn out a little less pink than the original. Especially once I added in the lipstick, I think we really took a detour there. The eyeliner shape is really cute. It's a little hard to see with my glasses in the way, but on the flip side, it's hard to see without my glasses. But I think it's super cute. It was a fun, interesting eyeliner shape that I've been meaning to try, and so I'm glad that I finally got around to doing that. It was great to challenge myself at makeup. I think I learned a few things. I think the cut crease definitely could have been improved. I did no research before this video. I just went in completely blind, but I like how it turned out. I love interesting eyeliner looks. But thank you so much for watching, joining me on this little journey. Feel free to like and subscribe. I know this isn't really the content I've been putting out, but again, makeup is just another medium, along with digital art for speed draws and sewing and painting. It's all in the same family, right? But I had so much fun making this. I hope I can make more makeup related things in the future. Don't take this as a tutorial. I think I did a lot of things wrong. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!